Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable a passkey on Bybit. If you want to log into your Bybit account using Face ID or fingerprint authentication, here's how to do it. First, open the Bybit app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings icon, the J icon at the top right. In the settings menu, select Security, then tap Passkey. Now, click Add Passkey at the bottom right of the screen and tap Continue. You'll receive a verification code via email. Tap Get Code and wait for it. If you have Google Authenticator enabled, you'll also receive a code there. Enter both codes. Here, for example, the email code is 022166 and tap Confirm. Then tap Continue, again to let your device verify your Face ID or fingerprint. Your biometric authentication is now successfully linked to your account. The next time you log in, you can use Face ID or fingerprint for secure access. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.